Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shwank Mitra. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to type an emoji on a computer. Now, it is a weird loop effect because OBS is showing a screen inside a screen inside a screen inside a screen inside a screen and so on. Okay, now I'll head over to a Word document that I have here. This Word document. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, okay, first the purpose of learning how to type an emoji on a computer, because while sending messages, emojis are fun. I just watched a movie named the Emoji Movie. I think it was made in 2017 or 2018 on I saw it on Netflix, and I just learned the power of emojis in that movie. Emojis are anyways pretty cute, and yeah, you might want to use them. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, you can. Okay, and this video is going to be short, by the way. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, you can press Windows and semicolon, or Windows and period, whichever you think you want to press. Okay, Windows and semicolon. Now, actually, you have to press Windows and the full stop. Now, this screen appears here. Now, you can type, say, love, maybe smile, and you're just typing and this comes up. You can just click on like this one is nice. That smile is replaced with this. So yeah, pretty nice way to use emojis on a Windows computer. Now if you're on a Mac, I think you have to do Control Alt space. I mean not Control Alt space, Control Command space. If you're on a Mac, that is. I don't have a Mac, so I don't know how you would be pressing it. But Control Command space. Yeah, I think that is it. Control Command space. So you press that. Okay, I'll show you once more how to add an emoji on a Windows computer. Windows period and then say arrow. This is a nice one. See how simple it is. And emojis are very nice to use in today's day and age. So yeah, you might want to use them. Now I told you um how to add an emoji on a Windows computer and a Mac computer. Now the last way is on a website named emojifinder.com. Emojifinder.com, emojifinder.com, emojifinder.com. Now it has a vast library and it is easier to search for the appropriate emoji on this website. But the bad part is it is on the web, so you have to use the internet, and also like why would you want to open? Simply just you know do it on the Windows and Mac interface. Or say over here there are some examples given. I'll say dance. I'll press enter, and for example this has come. I'll click on this. It's been copied. I will head over to the Word document, paste it. I'm gonna have to zoom in. This looks nice. So yeah, this is how to add an emoji on a computer. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, smash the like button on this video, add a comment down below, and just click on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss another video. And do notify me about which videos you want to see. I have some great videos coming up, a lot of content, so you might want to subscribe to my channel and share my channel link with your friends and family. See you in the next video.